If today's vlog turns out boring because I'm just cleaning and working on boat projects, just know that it's because tomorrow's vlog is a full boat tour. Good morning. Still in St. Barths, but today we're gonna have a boat day. The weather's pretty decent. It's been a little rainy and windy, but to be honest with you, boat projects on really any boat, they just always pile up. Like there's just always a list of things that I need to be doing, and I have to procrastinate them in order to actually go enjoy the islands. But at some point, I have to tackle them. So my plan for the day is to stick around here on Grace and clean the entire boat and then I'm gonna start tackling some odd projects. Try to get to as much as I can today, but at the same time, I'm gonna be taking it a little easy, if that makes sense. I really wish I could stay in St. Barths for like weeks more and just explore every day and show you guys all over the island and do travel guides, but I have to do some boat maintenance and I gotta get south. It's balance, you know what I mean? But I really wanna get a boat tour filmed, like a full, like in-depth, every cabinet boat tour. And that means I gotta do a deep clean. Also, Grace is not the only one who needs a bath. Mr. Magoo here needs a bath. Yeah, that's right, I'm talking about you. Nowhere to run, buddy. You happy? All right, wiener clean, let's clean the boat. The couch is filthy from sweat and living with the dog, so we're scrubbing it.
I'm from Lithuania. So the name is very...
I'm Ricardo.
Ricardo
From Puerto Rico.
Ricardo from Puerto Rico. And Ramenta from Lithuania.
Yep.
I got it. Here, let me throw on a shirt. I'll be right back.
We have guests, yes. Hi.
Yeah, no, the passage. Charlie, you don't take any time making friends, do you? So bye.
Bye.
Bye. That was awesome. They're so nice. That's the couple that I saw at the Dinny Dock the other day who said that they saw the video. They were searching videos about St. Barths on the way, and I had just posted my video sailing to St. Barths, and now we're friends. Life is good. And Charlie made friend. Didn't you make a friend, Charlie? Yeah. Okay, back to work. right, it's break time. The water is looking amazing today. Look at that. Fish. That was a fish. This is how we do this. Boom. And boom. Oh yeah. Genuinely one of the best things about having a boat. On a hot day. This clear salty water. So refreshing. So cold. Woo! It's like better than a cup of coffee. It's so much sketchier getting in the water alone. Like when I have someone else with me, like even though it doesn't really help, like don't think twice about backflipping into the water. But alone out here, things can go wrong pretty quick. And so even just taking a dip, I have like a little bit of shark anxiety. I shouldn't. All right, next order of business is this cabin. You saw in a recent video that we are gel coating this cabin. We're not building it up, you know, with silica or fibers or anything and making it smooth. We're just painting it with gel coat, really, just to make it presentable. We pulled down all the vinyl. I tried to reattach this one here with some wallpaper adhesive. I might end up removing that piece as well. To remind you, this cabin is basically finished. We gel coated it. Again, not smooth, but it looks pretty decent. And I'm trying to do the same thing to this one. By the way, Total Boat sent me all this gel coat along with a bunch of other products, and I love all of it. So, thank you, Total Boat. It's burger time. You know, working on boat projects is not my favorite thing to do. Obviously, I would love to go exploring. But with every hour I put in, the boat gets nicer, the house gets more comfortable, it gets more capable. And sitting on the boat, just with the scenery of this place, grilling up some burgers with my dog, that's heaven in itself. I mean, honestly, look at this. Best friend, American flag, food on the grill, and just look at this view. Not a bad place at all to get some work done. Sun's going down, reflecting off the water. It's stunning. I wish you guys were here, man. Oh, just absolute vibes. How is that for a sunset meal, baby? I will see you guys all tomorrow for a full boat tour. Give me a kiss if you love me. Rude. I know, you just realized what's happening.
He came, when was it? I'm sorry.
Guys, I just saw a big fish right after I got out of the water. Like potentially a shark fish. Come back.